For the best viewing experience, please rotate your phone to landscape mode. If you are watching on YouTube, simply tap the full screen icon in the bottom corner. Let's get started. Now, let's have a look at evaporation. Now, evaporation is one of the simplest methods of purification to detail. What does evaporation separate? It separates a soluble solid from the liquid it is dissolved in when you want the solid and the liquid can be thrown away. For example, salt from salt solution. Maybe it's seawater, or you want salt from salt solution and you don't want the water. You can just simply evaporate, and there you have it. Now, what you have here is, you could be having your salt solution here. You need your evaporating basin, and then girls on a tripod to hold the evaporating basin, and of course your Bunsen burner. Evaporation, by the way, it is the change of liquid to gas taking place at the surface of the liquid. So take note of that. There is a difference between evaporation and a boiling point. Evaporation only occurs at the surface of the liquid. Soon enough, we'll get to talk about that in the physics component when we talk about thermal physics. Evaporating basin, a wide shadow disk giving a large surface area so the solvent escapes quickly. So that's why it has to be wide. They may ask you, why is it that the evaporation or evaporating basin has to be wide? So that it gives what is known as a large surface area, so the solvent escapes quickly. Solute, by the way, it is the dissolved solid which stays behind because its boiling point is very high. For instance, salt has an extremely high boiling point. So what will evaporate first is the water, which will evaporate first, and therefore the salt will remain behind, because to then reach to the boiling point of salt will take a tremendous amount of heat, and salt water, which probably is an impurity, will have a slightly higher boiling point than pure water. So it may boil around maybe 104, 103 degrees Celsius, but for salt to begin to boil, you will need to arrive at thousands of degrees Celsius. So it means that your salt will remain behind. And next up, we'll be looking at the next method of purification.